Do you have a small business or a side hustle? Do you struggle to keep up with your bookkeeping? Are you tired of paying for online accounting products? If so, this easy bookkeeping spreadsheet system might be right for you. Hi, I'm Suzanne with TeacherWriter.co, and I create spreadsheets to make your life easier. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of the easy bookkeeping spreadsheet system. First off, we're on the home screen right now. It's called Quick Links, and it does have links to every sheet within this product to help you get quickly to where you need to go. It also includes written instructions, so you can look up whatever it is that you need to find out about, if it's not covered in the video, of course. And then it includes a chart of accounts, which I'm going to click on right now and take you there. We use the chart of accounts to set up all of your incomes and all of your expenses. And you can change this to anything you want. Let's say I'm selling something on Amazon instead of Shopify. Let's say I'm selling things right off my website. So I can change that. And then when I go to any entry page, I will see those things right there. I'll go back and I'll change this back to Shopify so you can see the change. And now you can see it's Shopify. So your chart of accounts is going to cover anything you might use in your business, and this is the only place you need to change it, and it will appear on all of your pages, all of your monthly recording sheets. I've also included this list of categories from the IRS Schedule C to help you make a decision as to what you might want to include here. Now we're going to go to the sample page, which is a practice page for you, so you can learn how this all works. First off, anything in gray is protected, so you don't need to do anything with that. The dates are set up so that if you change the day number, it changes the date. As you can see, it's changing right now. And then the income source is a drop-down list that comes from that chart of accounts that we just left. So let's say we had something on YouTube, something on Shopify, something on Etsy, and I went ahead and popped in amounts. They're really big amounts. And here you go. As soon as you pop in an amount, it's going to update here in your income summary. So right now we have income of $217. Now, whenever you enter income, you always enter the gross amount, and then you deduct your commissions and fees on this side. So I'm going to put a 13 here because I'm doing commissions for Etsy. And Etsy had some fees too, so I'm going to put another 13 there because that was the day that Etsy sent me some money, and I'm taking the commissions and fees out of it. You can record your advertising. Anything that you had on your chart of accounts will be here. Then you can scroll down and see all of your expenses, and they'll appear in red because they're going out. It's outgoing funds. Also, you can set up a budget here if you want to. You do not have to, but if you set up a budget, let's say I figured my budget for commissions would be $2, and I actually spent $15. I have a difference of 13. I went over budget by 13. So you can set up your budget there if you want to do that. And you can also set up income goals if you want to do that. And I put in a goal right here next to TPT, but I didn't enter anything for TPT, so it shows in red I didn't meet my goal on that income item. Now at the top you have your charts that show you your income compared to your expenses. It shows you your income sources. It shows you your expense categories, and these charts are not embedded, so that means you can make them bigger or smaller as you choose. Okay, so now we're going to move on and look at January. That was the sample January page for you to play and learn. This page already has some income put in. I have $25 from a super video on YouTube. I have $40 gross amount on TPT. And then I went over here and I put in $5 as a commission for TPT. Then there's nothing in February or March at this point. I go to my Q1 profit and loss statement, and I can see that my January income is there, as is my January expenses. And so now my profit and loss statement is super easy to prepare because I have all the information right here already calculated, already added up. When I'm ready to print my profit and loss statement, I just highlight. I usually start at the bottom and highlight to the top. And then I go to File, Print, and in your print screen you should have an option. It's hard to see right here. This one says Current Sheet, but I actually want to select the cells that I'm looking at, and then I'll have a printable sheet of my profit and loss statement. So there you go. That's pretty much everything about this spreadsheet. Each page does have a Back to Home button on it, so you can quickly go right back to your dashboard where you started. And hopefully this product will make your bookkeeping easy, save you time, and help you have more time to grow your business and watch your success. Thanks for watching this video.